Alright. So now, my phone died, so I have to switch. Get out of the shot, man! Ding!
Using my phone, so might as well look.
Anyway, as I was saying. So, this Arctic ice loss, is due to climate change. And as this Arctic ice loss increases, the beluga whale migration shifts and changes accordingly, which is big news. Yeah. So, by definition, climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns, in particular, a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels. If you don't know what fossil fuels mean, ask your teacher. But as we burn these fossil fuels, carbon dioxide is a byproduct and it releases into the air, which increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the water as well, because the water and the air have like a tendency to like create an equilibrium between, particles in the air. So from 1959, the ocean was 315 parts per meter, and today it's 385 parts per meter. And obviously this increases the density of the water as well, because it increases the particles. You know what I'm saying? And this also increases the acidity of the water, and this can affect corals and other calcifying marine organisms to make their skeletons and shells for calcium carbonate minerals. So global warming isn't the only effect. Dang, I dropped it. My wrist. Yes, global warming is not the only effect of climate change. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Alright, anyways, so which brings us to the whales. Study has shown, and they studied 2 different beluga whales population. And both spent winters in the Bering Sea and swam north in the early summer as ice melts. And they gained access to the Beaufort and Chukchi Seas. Both populations fed in the summer and migrated back to the Bering Sea in the fall. As Arctic Sea takes longer to freeze up each fall, thanks to the climate change, the Chukchi population delays in its annual southward migration by up to a month. Alright, and however, the Beaufort population hasn't altered in their migration patterns while this is happening. And this suggests that the Chukchi population is feeding late into the fall, which could be good or bad. It's good because the whales have more food, but it could be bad if the ice unexpectedly freezes up. Killing the whale. Imagine whales stuck in ice. Oh, yeah. They're trying to understand the species as we speak. And, basically, it's my project. The more the ice melts, the confusing their path gets. Yeah. So, yeah.